So that's 390,008. Leaving to press Manchester Piccadilly. And the next stop for that will be Wilmslow. And on platform 6 we have a Class 175.
Behind the yellow line on platform 5, please.
Right. Here's a closer look at the Class 175 on platform number 6. It's 175-107. And it's going to Carmarthen, but it appears that it's been... Oh, it's leaving now.
For more information.
There's also a pair of Class 153s with Transport for Wales coming in on...
This is a safety announcement for customers at platform.
Oh! So annoying when you're trying to do announcements and... I mean, you're trying to do videos and the announcements interrupt. 153353 and 153968. I believe 968 is the next Great Western Railway or EMR. Also, we have a Filthy Bugger or Class 319, 31936, leaving Little Lime Street via Manchester Piccadilly. We have another Banter Pendolino arriving in on platform 5. 39152.
This is a safety announcement for customers just arrived at Crewe Station. For your own safety, please stand behind the safety line on platform 6. Customers who have just arrived at Crewe Station, for your own safety, please stand behind the yellow safety line on platform 6.
This is going to London Euston, of course. Long story short, this was the train I was originally supposed to get up here to Crewe, but due to Cross Country cancelling a train at Leicester, I went via Derby instead. The train I came in on was 17503, but I think that's already left now. Oh yeah, and the Avanti have a few cancellations today. There's a Pendolino coming in on platform 5, London Euston, 39040.
Will be the 10:30 Transport for Wales service to Manchester Piccadilly. From Wilmslow, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly, this train is formed of 3 coaches. For your own safety, you are reminded
153 should be leaving any moment. Yeah, so those go to Chester, and it's the only station that has stopped. quite a lot of people on that train. On platform number 3 is 35377, and on platform 6 is 175114. Graham Taylor OBE is the name of the 350 that's arrived. And there's a pair of Voyagers leaving for Holyhead. One actually. The rear of the train I was originally supposed to catch here is 35125. Leaving now is the 1033 London North Western Railway service, London Euston, worked by 35125 and 35252. This came in as the train that I was originally supposed to get here to Crewe today, but due to a cancelled service connecting to it, I did not. As you can see over at the depot, we've got Class 90 and a HST power car. Here comes a Class 319 arriving off of the Wilmslow line. 319 367. This will be going back out at some point. Leaving now is in the Vantage West Coast service for Liverpool Lime Street. 39134. Next stop for this one will be Runcorn, and that's the only stop before reaching Liverpool. City of Carlisle, even though it's going to Liverpool. (319 367) is now leaving for Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Piccadilly. Nice tone. And we also have 221 116 City of Bangor leaving for Holyhead. And this time, this service is going to the unit on this service is going to the city it's named after. Here comes the London North Western service, which unfortunately is worked by both 350-2s, 352-38 and 350-242. This is going to Birmingham New Street from Liverpool Lime Street. And this is calling at Stafford, Penkridge, Wolverhampton, Smethwick Alton Bridge and Birmingham New Street. On platform 6 we have an Avanti West Coast service terminating from Holyhead, worked by 2 Voyagers. And there's a 350-2 arriving in on platform 7. This is 221-105. And on the rear we have 221-114. This is a service terminating from Holyhead. And we have a Harry unit, or a Class 323, arriving in on platform 1. Three, 237, arriving in from either Liverpool Lime Street or Manchester Piccadilly, or both for that matter. Let's go and see what the 350-2 that arrived in on 7 was. Here's a pair of 350-2s on platform 7, 352-35 and 352-46. 235 is the British Transport Police livery. This is going to London Euston, and there's Pendolino. And I can't make out the name or the numbers of it, unfortunately, because this Voyager is in the way. Leaving now is an Avanti West Coast service for London Euston. 221-104. And there's something else in the air. 221-102. These are going to London Euston via Birmingham New Street. The next stop for this one will be Wolverhampton. You can really smell Voyagers, to be honest. We have a Pendolino arriving on platform 11. This is 391-25, and it's one of the refurbished Pendolinos. Don't know if you can see it, but this is in fact one of the refurb Pendolinos. voyages that terminated from Llandudno Junction or Holyhead are now leaving on the ECS. 105 and 221 114. We have an East Midlands Railway service arriving in from Newark Castle, 175.34, formerly 176.34. This is, of course, one of the ex-West Midlands Turbo Stars. Oh my gosh. And it's packed as well. The one I caught was really packed as well. You see, that's one of the reasons why I wanted to go via Nuneaton. Because it's a two-car train and it's rather busy. We have a 153 on its own arriving. Which platform is it? Headed for... Oh, for goodness sakes, it's going in on 12. I can't... One 153-320. And this has come from Shrewsbury or somewhere beyond. Here comes a class 319 on the ECS movement. 319386. And leaving is the 11:15 service to Newark Castle via Derby and Nottingham. Worked by 175.534, formerly 176.34. Leaving on platform 6 is a class 150 all the way down to Milford Haven. 152.82. One of the refurb Transport Wales units. And that is busy. (153.320) is now leaving. And in the distance, we've got Rail Tour on the way. And it's a steam one. Leaving now is 391.36. City of Coventry, leaving for London Euston. But that's not going there because this is a service from Liverpool Line Street. came in on platform 12. 6233, Duchess of Sutherland. This is lovely to see. I shall be getting a photo of it. We have a class 57, nicknamed as a Thunderbird, sitting in the sidings. 57308, Jamie Ferguson. Over there's an Avanti West Coast Pendolino leaving. That's going towards Manchester Piccadilly. And I think it's the one that's running quite late due to points failure somewhere further down the line. Signal's still red for the Duchess. Class 66 light engine is up there in the distance. 66133. Don't know if you'll be able to see it, but apparently I've got good enough eyesight to see it. But I am a bit too far away from it since I'm on platform 12. 39043 has just arrived. It's also a class 319 arriving. There's a TFW class 175. And this one is
never worked. I didn't have lots of girls fucking
175 104.
Okay.
And that 319 is
Maybe behind the white chest, tell me about some trains. Never
I
happened
can't
to me.
see the numbers.
But,
Too far away.
so to me, that thing.
There's a Pendolino going right through.
Well, maybe on fake as well.
39137 down to London Euston.
I used to get like 30-second shells in hello and try to think those.
39043 is leaving. And hopefully once that's left, the Duchess should have the road. I've no idea where this one's going.
But yeah,
66133 running light engine. Now there's a Holyhead service coming in on platform 6, so the Duchess might have to wait for that as well. A class 319 that I cannot get the numbers of because I'm too far away from it is leaving. Two to 114 and 221 105 are now leaving for Holyhead. And hopefully once that's left, the Duchess should have the road. And a pair of class 350s And the rear is unfortunately a -2. And the front is a 351. 351.04, and the rear is 352.41. If the clip had started on time, I would have got the tone. 352.7, and I've been bowled by 390.157. Chad, whatever. Someone will be able to tell me in the comments what that was. Can't believe it. I've been bowled by a Pendolino again. We have a pair of Class 350s leaving, as you can hear. 353.70. Cadbury World Advertising Unit. And 351.17. And it's the first 350 working today that I've seen that is not full of -2s. The Duchess is still not left yet. I am supposed to be at the DRS Open Day in about an hour's time, which the vlog for will have already gone up when this train spotting video has gone up, so you will have already seen that. As long as I haven't died in the heat wave that's supposed to be hitting Britain like 2 days later, because the temperatures are supposed to get up to as high as 40 degrees in some part of the country. Last I checked, it was 38 for Leicester. 175.114 has returned and is now leaving for Carmarthen. Rail Tour doesn't leave until like 12:25. So I thought I'd come to the other platforms to film other trains whilst waiting. And Avanti West Coast Pendolinos leaving on platform 11. Stephen Sutton. 390.
Platform 1 from the
002.
12:17 Northern service to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Airport. Calling at Sandbank, Holmes Chapel, Orty Edge, Wilmslow, Style, Manchester.
We have 4 Class 153 dog boxes arriving from Chester. First one is 153, 353. The second is 153.968. And the third is 153.926. And the fourth is 153.361. So yeah, that's terminating in from Chester. It's normally about 2 or 3 on this service. Now leaving is the slightly delayed 12:11 Avanti West Coast service to Manchester Piccadilly, 391.35. 322 service to London Euston arriving. We're 39134, City of Carlisle. I believe this is, we saw this earlier, go up to the Liverpool Lime Street. And 323227 is leaving. This is going to Liverpool Lime Street via Manchester Piccadilly. Arriving on platform 1 is a rather delayed Avanti West Coast service, London Euston, 39138. City of London.
Let's get back! Driver's not happy.
153361, and the rest of them that I've read out earlier are leaving Chester.
Thank you.
Leaving now on platform 12 is the Duchess of Sutherland. On a rail tour up to Chester from London Euston. Oh! Soot and ashes in my eyes. And I believe there is a Class 47 helping her on the back. $47,813. And I think that'll conclude this video of the trains at Crewe here today. It's probably gone on for a rather long time now, and I need to go and get some lunch ready to head off to the RS. Hope you all enjoyed watching. If you liked the video, you know what to do, and see you in the next video. Here's 175002, and here's Juan and Lino, City of Preston. 175's now leaving. And here's the train I've got in mind to travel on down to Nuneaton. Class 350 0, Class 352 on the end. Hopefully the front four will be something better, but we shall see.
Service to London Euston. 1617 Northern service to Liverpool.
And I've just accidentally kicked some rubbish.
Via Manchester Airport. Calling at Sandbach, Holmes Chapel, Waterley Edge, Wilmslow,
Oh, yes.
Stile, Manchester Airport.
front is
Hillsbury,
350.
East Didsbury, Burnage, Moulders Road, Manchester Piccadilly,
1 to
Manchester
20.
Oxford Road, Deansgate, Eccles, Patrickcroft, Newton.
That was 390,045.